leftover chicken salad and Spanish pasta salad, summer side dishes. I am Mohammed Khaled Zubair. I made this video for all. Chicken salad is any salad with chicken as a main ingredient. Other common ingredients may include mayonnaise, hard-boiled egg, celery, onion, pepper, pickles, or pickled relish, and a variety of mustards. Chicken salad, pasta fredda, is a salad dish prepared with one or more types of pasta, almost always chilled, and most often tossed in a vinegar, oil, or mayonnaise-based dressing. It is typically served as an appetizer, side dish or a main course. Quick and easy dinner recipes for when you want dinner on the table in a hurry. My easy meal ideas are perfect for busy days. Tried and tested easy dinner recipes perfect for family dinner. Leftover chicken salad ingredients: 1 cup of shredded leftover roast chicken, 1 little jam lettuce a shredded, 1/2 yellow pepper a finely sliced, 6 cm chunk of cucumber a sliced into batons, 1 red chili a finely sliced, 3 spring onions a finely sliced, handful of coriander a roughly chopped. For the spicy salad dressing: 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon honey. Equipment needed to make this salad: chopping board, sharp vegetable knife, knife and fork, to shred the chicken, small bowl, fork. Serving platter. How to make leftover chicken salad. It's super easy to make this zingy, fresh and crunchy salad. The perfect way to use up leftover roast chicken. Add the shredded chicken and vegetables to a shallow dish. Mix up the quick dressing a quickly whisk the sesame oil, soy sauce and honey together. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and lightly toss. Scatter over the chopped coriander. Cook's tip: if you've not quite got enough chicken, maybe throw in some roasted peanuts or cashews alongside. Add some carbs and toss in some rice noodles. Skip the chili if you don't like spice. Sprinkle over some chopped toasted peanuts. Switch the dressing for a creamy ranch or Italian style. Prep time equals 15 minutes. Total time equals 15 minutes. Ingredients: 1 cup roast chicken, shredded, 1 little gem lettuce, shredded, 1/2 yellow pepper, finely sliced, 1/2 cucumber, sliced into batons, 1 red chili, finely sliced, 3 spring onions, finely sliced, handful of coriander, roughly chopped. For the dressing: 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon honey. Instructions: add the shredded chicken and vegetables to a shallow dish. Mix up the quick dressing. Quickly whisk the sesame oil, soy sauce and honey together. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and lightly toss. Scatter over the chopped coriander. Nutrition information: calories, 718 total. Fat, 41 saturated fat, 11 trans. Fat, 0 grams unsaturated fat, 23 grams cholesterol, 137 milligrams sodium, 1,282 milligrams carbohydrates, 40 grams fiber, 6 grams sugar, 9 grams protein, 53 grams. Spanish pasta salad. Spanish pasta salad is super easy, super tasty, ready in less than 20 minutes and packed to bursting with lovely Spanish sunshine flavors. Equipment needed to make our pasta salad: chopping board, sharp knife, tablespoon, teaspoon, saucepan, colander, serving bowl. Spanish pasta salad ingredients: you'll just need a handful of delicious ingredients to throw together this tasty pasta salad recipe. 350 grams pasta. I used spinach total pasta, but feel free to use any pasta shapes you like. 4 tablespoons sun-dried tomato pesto. 450 grams jar of antipasto char grilled peppers, drained and roughly chopped. 300 grams baby plum tomatoes halved. 1 teaspoon sweet smoked paprika. 100 grams manchego cheese cut into cubes. Handful of basil leaves roughly torn. How to make Spanish pasta salad. Step 1. Cook the pasta. Cook the pasta as per the packet instructions in plenty of boiling salted water. Once cooked, drain using a colander and run the pasta under cold water to cool it down quickly. Step 2a. Add the pesto to the Spanish pasta salad. Mix the pesto into the pasta and stir gently to coat all the pasta shapes. Step 3a. Add the rest of the pasta salad ingredients. Toss in the baby plum tomatoes, chopped peppers, manchego cheese and smoked paprika. Stir everything together gently. Step 4a. Serve. Tip into a serving dish and scatter with roughly torn basil. Make pasta salad your way. Switch the manchego cheese for feta or mini mozzarella balls. Add in some fat discs of chorizo. Throw in some courgette, aubergine or olives. You can buy lovely jars of antipasto aubergines which work really well in this salad. Roast your own fresh peppers instead of buying jarred ones. Ingredients: 350 grams pasta, 4 tablespoons sun-dried tomato pesto, 450 grams jar antipasto char grilled peppers, drained and roughly chopped, 300 grams baby plum tomatoes, halved, 1 teaspoon sweet smoked paprika, 100 grams manchego cheese, cut into cubes, handful of basil, roughly torn. Instructions: cook the pasta as per the packet instructions in lots of boiling salted water with just a dash of olive oil. Once cooked, drain and run the pasta under cold water to cool it down fast. Mix the pesto into the pasta and stir gently to coat. Toss in the baby plum tomatoes, chopped peppers, manchego and smoked paprika. Stir gently. Tip into a serving dish and scatter with roughly torn basil. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 10 minutes. Total time 20 minutes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Channel name, Khaled Zubair.